You are immediately taking control of the center, okay. Very solid move, must be following the theory. Nice. Your bishop is much happier now that it has room to move. Yeah, that works, that works. I'm happy to be playing chess with you. Win or lose, we learn something. Time to develop my knight. You know, get it into the game. I'm attacking the pawn chain. Something is going to give. A knight on the rim? Fine by me, but it better be good. This time it works. I'm going after your pawn chain. Okay, now things are starting to get interesting. Let's see what you've got. Aggression is good, but let's get those knights and bishops out first, alright? What do you think about my last move? Find the right response. Nice, now your piece has some room to breathe. A piece that can attack more squares is more powerful. Time to develop my rook. Developing with an attack, I like your style. Any more moves like that and you'll be coaching me. Let's move my pawn to safety. Getting your knight to safety makes sense. Solid move. Alright, castling time, finally. Queen's here to stir things up, eh? Let's see if it pays off. King's all cozy now, and the rook's ready to roll. Playing that well, I might start getting nervous. Keep it up. Do you see an opportunity here? Let's test your skills. Want to swap off some material? Your call. You're doing a good job creating threats. Let's see what happens next. Defending my pawn. It's generally a good idea to keep your pieces defended. You took my knight. Well done. Can't leave pieces hanging, you know. I'll defend my pawn. It's important to keep your pieces protected. Smart. Getting your threatened queen out of the line of fire. Gotta fight for the center. It's just how I play. You took my pawn. Well done. Can't leave pieces hanging, you know? Alright. You got my pawn. Not bad, I guess. Making this personal now, huh? Hope you're ready for what comes next. Yep, you took my free pawn. You saw it. Good job. Gotta get my piece to a better square. Maybe this one. Nice. You have a checkmate threat on the board. Nice work. I'm defending my pawn. And you take back, you take classic recapture. Well, I gotta take back, obviously. All right, mobilizing that knight to a better location. Good job. I'm defending my pawn. A check? Really? Okay, let's see what I can do here. Time for the king to move. Gotta get out of check. I've grabbed the open file, just like I was taught. When you come at the king, you better not miss. Dancing king, I'm just trying to grab some space. You know, your usual world champion stuff. Attacking my rook and taking the initiative, nice. Let's move my rook to safety. I'm in check. How can I get out of this one? My king is dancing out of the way. Can you feel the nerves? More squares for your piece, eh? Sneaky, I like it. Creating threats already? Alright, show me what you got. You got my pawn. Alright, good job. You threaten my rook, which wins you a tempo. Good for you. Moving my rook to safety. Oh, a check? Let's see if I can calculate my way out of this one. Time for the king to move. Gotta get out of check. Whether I win or lose, playing chess with you is always fun. What am I threatening? You see it, right? Smart move there, getting your knight to safety. I'm keeping my rook out of trouble. Pawn tension, eh? Time to take, push, or just chill. I'm putting pressure on your rook. Do you see it? I'm up for a game review to check this game out together. Creating threats, eh? What are you planning? Check to the king. You are pressing. Checkmate is coming, and I'm not feeling good about my chances. Check, just trying to stir the pot a little, you know? Alright, keep up the pressure. Checkmate is coming. Rook behind your passed pawn. Does that idea make you nervous? Time to wrap this up. The checkmate is on the way. Good for you. Check. You are closing in on the win. Keep it up. Can you see the checkmate? I'm getting my rook out of danger. Time to be safe. I should resign, but I'm not a quitter. You are playing at a high level. Keep it up. Your rook is mine now. Okay, I should resign, but I won't. You are crushing me. Keep up the good work. Let's move my rook to safety, okay? You've got an overwhelming advantage. Don't give me any chances. I'm putting some pressure on your passed pawn now. Let's see what you do. I should resign, but I won't. Keep going. Your pawn scared me. I had to stop it. I am him. You are pressing. Checkmate is coming, and I'm not feeling good about my chances. I just grabbed a free rook. All right, keep up the pressure. Checkmate is coming. Moving my rook to safety. You checked me. How will I deal with this? Dancing King, I'm just trying to grab some space. You know, your usual world champion stuff. Getting your pawn to safety, not bad. That pawn is getting closer to queening. I'm starting to sweat. Oh, that pawn's getting closer, isn't it? One step closer to ruining my day. I can give material away and still be fine, right? Time to wrap this up. The checkmate is on the way. Good for you. You are closing in on the win. Keep it up. Can you see the checkmate? I should resign, but I'm not a quitter. You are playing at a high level. Keep it up. Okay, I should resign, but I won't. Do you see what I can do? Find the thread. You are crushing me. Keep up the good work. You've got an overwhelming advantage. Don't give me any chances. My king is dancing out of the way. Can you feel the nerves? I should resign, but I won't. Keep going. Time for the king to move. Gotta get out of check. You are pressing. Checkmate is coming, and I'm not feeling good about my chances. Well, that was... Congrats, you earned it. Game was fun. Maybe we can review it a little later.